Okay, thank you. No issue. We had not missed more. Okay, so here what we doing? We are passing the anchor tag. Okay, and we are passing the style. So which property we are looking? Text decoration. Okay, so in text decoration, what it going to do? There is optional in the case of text decoration, that is U tag. Okay, underline tag, and second option is the insert tag. But those tag that will be part of HTML, not the part of which one? Those was HTML, but we not want with the HTML. We want something with the help of CSS. So we can go with the CSS property, and that property is known as the text decoration. Okay, so what I had done, I had removed that underline section from there. That's why I going to comment this text decoration none and look over that our UI side. Okay, so be getting here underline. Clear? Anyone having issue? No issue. Okay, fine. So now what I will do, I will under means whatever commented section is there, I will uncomment this, and let's just see, look over the changes on the UI, what you going to feel. So see what happened. What we observed? We observed that underline under of this means this is a link, something was underlined there and that get removed. Fine. How that happened? With the help of text decoration property. So let's say verify what are the other property. So we will play with the text decoration and we will check that what are the extra property we are getting here. Okay. So what I want that when user is visited our link, that time I want to remove the text decoration. Okay. So that time I want text decoration none. It's fine. But let remove this one. See, morning we had discussed all pseudo class, whatever pseudo class we had discussed, those all things we going to use in the case of anchor tag. So you can look over here also. Anchor tag link, then a visited, then a watch over, then a active. These all property we had seen. There is nothing new in this. But what is new? New is the text decoration. Okay, we are playing this one. So what I want that when user, when this will work actually, what you thinking? I will pass a strike color also. When this will work?
Whenever you will, we will hit this link, and after that you will go that respective website, and then we'll come back, and after that we'll get that link is another color, means whatever we are going to give that color.
Yeah, correct. So this is a visited. Visited means what? Once any guest had visited in your house, you can see that he had already present. He is available in my home. So same type. Once we will visit any link, that link, the cache file of the browser, it going to hold that location that you had visited that link. Okay. And so with the help of cache file, it will find out that this anchor tag had visited. Okay, so with the help of visited, what it will do, it will go with text decoration none and color also green. Means there will be not underline and color will be also green. But I will not look this property now, because if I will visit this property, I will not get any other property. I know that other will not work. That's why. Last we will see that one. Okay, so next what we had pass anchor tag h over. What it will do, when we will pass our cursor over the text, that time the text decoration will be underlined. Means the text underlined, that whatever property they have underlined, it will come. So this time I going to add background color. Fine. So background color I want yellow. Okay, let's save and let's verify this one. When it will work, when we will mouse over the above the anchor tag. So see, when we are passing this, it going to get underline also and the color also. Is this clear for all? Mouse over property means anchor tag and over. So next is active. Now I will look at this property also and this both property same type. Okay, when active will work, what example I had told in the morning. In morning I told, if I will going to kick our scooty, and if I will press the button for the self start, then for few seconds self will trigger our engine. Okay, and after that self will gone in the shutdown mode, it's not going to do anything. Okay, and but due to the self trigger, engine will activate. So that here that it will do the same thing. It will activate our link. Okay. So I will pass here one more thing, background color also. Let it to be background color. I want background color to be green. Okay. And let's save. And now see when it will activating, that time we will get background color something. Okay. So first remove this href and pass just hash. You know why we passing hash? If we have no any means there is no any link, we have not any link, that time we just passing hash, just a dummy text something. Okay. So what it will do while activating and once a link visited in the both situation. Wait, I will change this one. Okay. So in this case it will come that color once a link visited. So let's verify. Okay. What is happening? We getting underline and the color become now. What is the color actually? Our link got visited. That's why we getting that color. Okay. And text decoration is none. So we will not get underline. But when we activating that time underline should be and green color should be. See. Correct or not? So this way we can do that. Anyone having any issue in case of text decoration? Let me know. So with the help of text decoration, means this is another option of formatting. Means in place of formatting tag, whatever formatting tag we had a study, in place of that we can go with this tag also. Clear? Now another thing, background color. Same thing we had done already. Background color we passed, color we had passed. Here we pass background color on different. So same thing it going to do when anchor tag link background color something. So no need to this, already be done. Then link button. Let's move over this one. This is interesting. This is like one mini project type. Okay. 2, 3. Where is that? Tomorrow is Saturday. So what time we will go for the class? Who all was present today? 9 a.m. Means what you thinking that per day I have to wake up morning itself?
9 a.m. Okay. Then you decide.
Okay. Okay, one thing, who all was present today in that group discussion? How many member was there?
Me,
Okay.
Raful, Samir,
Okay.
and Dharmender.
Afroz.
Or Afro. That's it. We 5 only.
Why? What about the others? While writing name, I think 13 members had given their name. Means all member had given.
No,
But
I
where
have
is
not
those?
given.
For
Yeah, you had not.
20 or 425. But
So where
no,
is those guy actually?
then
So
we
see,
start.
let it to be. That's their base, whether they want or not. Whatever we planned, that I have to follow. That's it. That not compulsory, no need. Okay, what I want to make our anchor tag. This is look like a button or anchor tag. What it look like? It look like button, but actually this is anchor tag. Okay, so I want the same thing with the help of CSS, but code is not written here. Okay, keep this UI in your mind. Okay, because you will not get this UI again. You have to make this UI by going to save. I have this one. Now tell me how I will move.
Text decoration none, color change, border.
Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Go one by one. Wait. Shivani, tell me first. What you thinking? How we will go? Tell me in one code. What you can.
For what?
Just now I shown you the UI. I have to convert this link like button. Sweta.
Sir, button.
Okay. See,
Colon. A.
wait. Where is the button? I have to convert this, means I have to, we are going to use like Photoshop. You know Photoshop?
Yes.
Yeah. So like that we going to do, means this is just a button, anchor tag, but we will make this after makeup and all the things. Okay. After that we will make this look like a button. We will change the design. How we will? What you had observed there? Okay, Sweta, can you tell one tag, whatever you thinking?
Background color you have.
Background color. Okay, where I will pass background color. See, this way you will get idea of thinking ability. Okay, that I telling you. Because now this is a button, this is just a normal link, and you converting button. What thing was looking there? You have to realize. Okay, tell me. Background color you telling. How I will pass?
Using anchor text.
Okay, fine. Anchor tag, let it to be, and go with background color. Background color, and I will, which color? Okay, let it go with any color.
Red.
Okay, completed.
Inside anchor, we use button.
Sir, can we
Wait.
button also, sir?
Wait 1
Use
second,
tag.
1 second. I will show you again the dummy. I want this one. Okay, keep in mind. I will not show you this again.
So I will take a screenshot.
You are super genius. Okay, wait. I will do one thing. I will keep in a sticky. Fine. Dharmender, no need to take a screenshot. Okay, so you told this background color. Fine.
Okay, then
Next.
sir, text padding.
Where you telling
Padding.
me padding? Okay,
Inside
you have to tell all the
anchor
code. You have to tell all code. Okay, padding.
So 10, 12 pixel. Okay.
Fine. Next.
Color
The
is white.
text align center.
What?
Text align center.
Amol, can you?
Sir, border.
Sir, border.
Border.
The text color is
Saturation.
already used.
None, sir.
1 second. Border, how much? Okay, go with 1 pixel. Solid.
Sir, border radius.
Okay, wait.
Sir, white, no, sir.
We take
Already.
Sir, not
Yeah,
white,
sir.
sir.
White is good, sir.
Text color is white, sir.
which color?
Text color is white,
Black.
sir.
In UI, it
Okay.
shows
Wait 1 second. I can show you. I taken black. This is the UI. Okay, pass. Keep like this
colored.
way.
Okay, sir, colored.
Yeah,
Take
color.
colored. White.
Color white. Next. Praful, tell one tag.
Sir, take decoration none.
Wow,
In
super. Everybody was playing single. You came with full shot. Text decoration. Oh, sorry, I
Sir,
take a text alignment.
Sir, take a shorthand padding.
Shorthand padding.
In padding, we take 12 pixel top right.
Oh, okay. You're telling me like that way. Okay. Oh, that one. Okay, fine. 12. Next.
Pixel. PX.
No need to write pixel. I think no
Okay.
pixel will be there. Yeah,
Sir,
pixel.
yes.
Okay, go 0 first. Let it to be, and then we can verify which side it want.
No,
Okay.
sir. In bottom also we have to take.
Yeah,
Third one.
now you can tell me which side. Yeah, that. So third, I taking 12 pixel. Let's see.
And
Fine.
sir, left, right also.
How much?
12.
Okay, let's take 15.
14,
Let's
sir.
see.
Okay, 15. Fine.
15 is also fine, not an issue. See, minor, it's not an issue. Okay. Is it same? Okay, fine.
That's it. It look
Border is
nice.
required. I not thinking border is required. Clear or not?
Yes, border not required.
Yeah, it looking same now. Okay,
Yes.
it looking same. Now see our code. What we had taken? Background color already be taken. Okay, match each code whether we had taken that or not. We had taken background color.
Display. Not
Then we taken color property. That's fine. Then we taking padding. That's related to be whether 4 or 2. That's not an issue. Text alignment be taken. Text decoration be taken. Display be not taken. Why be not taken display, and what is the purpose of display? What is the use of display? Anyone? Praful?
Display in the sense, suppose we want some hide the display, block the display, and show
Yeah,
the
means
display. For that purpose, we are using display.
We can convert block to inline and inline to block and
yeah,
also hide the.
Yeah, same line to next line and this.
correct. So with the help of display property, we can convert into one form to another form. Means like block level to inline, inline to block level. Like a span, div, these are block level and inline. So we can exchange the property. And if that is inline block, then both got combined. Okay. In the case of inline block, it will combine. It will come in the upcoming in the CSS itself. I think we had not covered this part. So see, due to that inline block, what happened? We got this top space on there, correct or not? So see now it's a on the top bottom means sorry top it is a nearby. There is no any spacing, but due to this inline block we got some space. Fine. So this way it had help. And next what we had taken different property that when we will click over mouse over, that time it going to be dark red. Okay, and it was a light red. That is look like minor changes, but that's not an issue. So see, okay, let's run that and then we will realize that. So if I will click now, okay, we got that somewhere. Let it to be error. But what we want that when we clicking this, sorry, remove this dollar control S. Yeah. When we are clicking this link, okay, what we want that it have to in mouse over some different property. Okay, how we can pass on mouse over? We want a color to be changed. How we can pass? Who will tell this? Okay, Amol, approach, Amol and approach. Tell me,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to change the color. How we can change?
Which one color you want to change,
Sir, background color
or which
Background color.
text color.
Background color.
We can pass here, sir. Background color we can change here.
Where we can pass?
Sir, inside the sir.
Inside?
over.
Inside the is
This is
sir.
over.
Inside the is.
No, sir. A tag double call.
Amol, 1 second. Approach where we will pass?
Sir,
Tell me.
in this UI,
Okay.
this one you want to change the background color, sir.
Yeah, that I want. Are you
Sir,
getting any
here,
other UI also?
no, sir. Inside the A, sir.
Okay, here, fine. What I will
You
write?
comment out that one, sir. One background color is there, no, sir.
Yeah.
From there we can change, sir. We can choose another color also from there.
Okay.
Yes.
Had you listened my question?
Yes, sir.
I not want to change this color from here. I want when I putting cursor over this, then I want to change color.
Yes, sir. H hover property we can write, sir.
Yeah. So tell me how I will write and where I will write.
After the semicolon, after the curly bracket, sir.
Okay. How will
A,
write? A
and dot
dot.
H O
Okay. Okay. Amol, tell me.
colon, sir, colon.
Sir, a double dot of hover and curly bracket open and background color
Yes,
in your
Over and background color. Let it to be cyan. It worked, okay? But when we pass this property, anchor property, you have to go with here. Which property? Because now we are passing a specific to anchor tag. So which property we have to pass here? When you want these all property, on which type situation?
What type, sir?
Shivani, what
Sir-
type, which class will be here? Yeah, Praful.
Link tag, sir.
Correct. So it
Yes,
will be
yes,
link by default. Okay.
yes.
We have to pass that thing. So see now what happened when we passed the link tag.
Link
Okay.
visited.
Text color link got visited, and due to link visited, the color got changed. Correct. So I not want
But
that.
change by default.
What?
The color says because we take color white.
We had taken white, but it's coming blue. See, because we had visited that link, so we had not passed any property regarding the visited case.
By
So we will
default,
pass the
it's blue.
yeah. Default it is white. So we will pass the visited property also. Fine. And let's see what it's going to do. So now in case of anchor tag visited, we getting like black background color, but I not want this. When I want this one, just wait. By default, which color you want here?
Sir, what
Blue
text
color or
color change?
we want a white color, correct?
Yes.
So we have to pass that here anchor tag visited. See, got this or not? Clear? Anyone having any dot confusion? Tell me first.
Sir, link or a colon visited, we remove that color
Yeah.
white or not, sir?
Yeah, it will. But see, what was the issue? Remove this completely and pass anchor tag. Fine. Let's see.
Yeah.
It worked. But what is the issue actually? The issue is that we had
Is
passed
this
this anchor.
compulsory take both link and visited?
What?
Is this compulsory? When we take
Which
link,
one?
then we have to take visited also.
No. That's not compulsory. But according to our design, we can go with that. See why I taken that one. I telling you. I had taken this thing. Okay, we going to pass anchor tag, and on anchor tag we want different property on different situation. Okay, by default over property is for all, correct? But this visited and link, that is for anchor tag only. Clear this one? So what I want that in the different situation, color have to different type. It have to perform different type. When you want this all means all this a border or this is a link, whatever text is written by default starting time, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
We
sir.
want that starting time. That's why
Yeah.
I pass anchor tag and a link. Clear this one? So I
Yeah.
will get this thing only when this is based on the anchor tag and a link. Okay. So see, we had visit this link. Okay. But on the case of widget, you had not passed any style. And now your
Sir,
link is
before
widgeted.
visit, the color got changed. When
Yeah,
you
that's
save,
I telling. That's I telling because when we want different property during different action. Because see, if you will not pass this one, okay, I want something, some color while when link activate. ACTIVATE. I want something here and pass background color.
active,
Something mistake I think.
not activate, active.
Oh my God, Shivani telling like that. She is guiding me. Why you taken wrong?
No, sir.
If I will take a 9 o'clock class and if I will do any mistake, then she will tell. First you have to study, then teach me. Okay. So we take an active. Okay. I want background color something. Take yellow. Fine. Now you have to realize when you will get this color actually, when we will visit during active time. So let's see whether we getting or not. My God, we can't check actually. Okay,
Sir, press
do
and
one.
hold, sir.
Press and hold bit. Let's see. What happened? That complete background gone.
Because we
Because
take
see
color
now,
white.
wait. Let it to be first this one. We got now background. Okay, got it. Due to that white color. We taken something. Okay, now this is a link. Something is coming. What I want that when I clicking that time background color should be like this. Click this. Oh my God, then also you're not yet getting because this background color. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. So now we getting this yellow color. Now just tell me these all property I want different situation. Means not all one time. Correct or not? I want this property only when it clicking for active purpose. When it coming over, that time we want only this. And we want this or this thing by default. Now can you tell me if I will take this also anchor tag, will it work? Here also anchor tag, will it work all? Had you got the issue? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Had you realized the issue? What happened? Will what you thinking? Whether on over case, previously it was over, then it was anchor tag active. Will it work now? How it will work?
Yeah, sir.
Because there
One
is
text.
Oh, no, sir.
it will work. It will not work because now it all are anchor tag. But what I want to behave a different type on different situation. That's why we take in like visited, link, like that type of. Got my point? Why we take in different case or not?
Yes.
Shivani, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Because now if we taking anchor tag only in all place and we want different property. Okay, now come line by line. When you want this property by default, this all by default. Go with by default. By default means link property, link class. Let's save. But then also be not getting due to this both because they're taking the anchor tag. Now we got this. Okay, let's change the color. Where is the background color? Okay, and change this background color also. Take this one. So see a link because due to the visited property, it not working in this case that a white color. Now it will come. Where is that white color? Oh my God, here I passed the color. It is the issue in CSS. Okay, so we got this in the white color, fine. And here we had passed the background color, but if you will pass link, now see what happened, that become blue because this is visited. And now we are going on the that property by property. Okay, so we will look over the different property. By default we want that one, that's clear. But now what I want, mouse over. On mouse over, we want something like yellow color, means whatever color is coming. This is cyan color. Now comment this. So what are you thinking? When I will put cursor, mouse over will work. That's fine. But now what I want, I not want that color like this blue color. I want that color, means by default only mouse over case have to change. Remaining all should be same. Means this by default color I want in all situation except over property. What I will do? Which is the another property? Means another property is which one? Anchor tag visited,
Active, sir.
visited and active both. One is this property and then one more property, anchor tag active. Is both property. But what I want that while active, background color should be like this. And this will be always actually in the over property itself it will come. So let it to be active. I not want the active property. Let finish. But I want the visited property. In the case of visited means if somebody had visited the link, that time also I want this style itself, all this style. What I can do? I can copy paste.
No, sir. You can pass a colon visited in the
That's okay.
a
But
colon.
yeah, but we can do this also or not? We can copy paste that code. We can get the same
We
property.
can, sir.
Now see.
Yeah.
Now in over property we getting that, but in the case of visited then also it will came the same thing. So there is no changes. Had you got what we done? Why we had passed that? We want the same situation before visited the link and after. That's why we taken this one. But if we want the same style, then what is the need of passing this way? Just cut this and pass on one place itself. Means here and save. It will work. So Shivani, Sweta, Amol, clear, and others also. Why
Yes,
be
sir.
taken? Why be taking different property?
Yes.
I think it should be clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this way we can modify. This was previously, this was just normal link, and now we had converted that in as a button. Okay. And whatever property they have, like a target blank, this, that, whatever you can pass, that's not an issue. So wherever, whatever you want, see in the active case also he had passed the same color. So when it clicking, that time also it will be red. Whatever you want, you can do. But you can check that whatever requirement. So I'm not thinking anyone having any doubt now. Why be taking that different that one link visited or those things? Clear? So see, in morning, Roshan had asked one question that if we have multiple link, okay, then how we can pass different color. So see here, anchor tag dot a dot one. Okay, see up to here he taken one means for one anchor tag and they pass different color. Then anchor tag 2, he had taken that different property and then he had passed. He had taken this. This one itself he had asked, I think. Roshan, clear on this one itself or not?
No, sir.
I,
It's
I
clear.
telling in morning. I telling in morning. In morning you had asked one
Yeah,
question. That if I taking multiple link and I want a different color. That I telling.
yes. It's clear, sir.
So I'm going to write that code again. Wait. See, when you will copy from the Word file, then you will get this white space. And this, I don't know what this white space is actually, but it's affecting my style actually. Previously, we had faced this issue. Control P. So if you will get any design like that way, I think now you can convert. You can start thinking actually. Main thing is that one. See, making design is not the problem. Okay, we can make that design. But the main thing is the thinking power. Okay, that's why I told first go through the design and think. These are not any topic. These are just normal websites. Means just normal simple mini project type. So see, there are total 5 types of a link. When you will go, some color came in over here, some different color, then something is there, then something. Underline is there, underline means is there, but the font size reduced, then something. Okay, let's see what happened. It happening something, but due to this it not. Okay, so this way we can style. If we have multiple color, what we can do? We can take each, we can represent with the class. See, we have taken this class name, then we taken class name, and with the help of class name, we can pass all the property. Anyone having any issue? This way we can, already we had seen in the morning this thing. Anyone having any issue? Want anything more in this one? No? Fine. So same thing we can do with the create a link boxes button, anchor tag visited, this already be done. Okay, so here see, I will not look this one. Here different cursor pointer is there. Okay, means like, okay, let it to be. But here I think a style will be also there. It will take too much time. Let it to be. Just I will show the demo purpose. That's it. You will practice these all. So see here a style. Okay, and cursor. Cursor means which one? The mouse cursor. Okay, and this is automatic. Automatic in the sense whatever we have now. Okay, but when we will pass this, wait, let me take this. Then go with 5 dot HTML. We wasted too much time due to system. So see here what it going to do. You can realize that easily. When I will put cursor over that particular area, then please look over the pointer. What is there? Automatic. What is there? What are you getting? Wait, due to a span, this will not work that properly. Let me convert this span to div. Then you will get too easily. Replace all. That's it. Now see, you can easily identify. This is div. That's it. This is, see, yeah. So this is cross here, something. This is by default, nothing changed. This is resize. Are you observing this mouse pointer? Something different type. Then help. See, in help case, that interrogative sign is coming. And why this coming up to here? This complete row is left to right. See, why?
Block line.
Yeah, block level element. That's why I had changed that span to div, because I know a span will be up to this section only. But when you're taking any block level, it will come in the full width. That's why. Now see that this one move. This symbol is coming for the move. So this way actually we are changing the cursor pointer. Okay. Suppose you want something pointer. See the fingertip. If you had taken anchor tag, it means if you not taken anchor tag, if you taken any div, and if you want this fingertip, you can go with this. What is that cursor? See that style is the cursor. Okay. And what is the cursor name? Pointer. These all are cursor name. Move, in dash resize. These all are cursor name. this progress. Okay, so these all are cursor name. So you can take that. Anyone want anything more in this one? Cursor pointer. Clear? Different names are there actually. Clear or not? So next, in the case of UL and LI, if we want to style, then how we can do? Morning we had seen one tag. What was that tag actually? In the case of UL and LI, list order and unordered case, we had done the color changing. By which tag?
For sir, marker element.
Not marker element, that was marker itself directly. Okay. Yeah. So that was marker, and with the help of marker, we can do that. See, if I will save this, you will see that many times it will not work proper. 6. I don't know whether the color is same type or what style. See, it's not working because here we have a square and it's coming bullet sign only. Due to that, if I will remove this, then it will work. Okay. Now see, we got that output. Due to that white space, it's not going to do. So what we had done, already we know that these all things. No any means is any requirement for this also? How we written that LI and UL, those things. So there is a style for the particular list, unordered list or ordered list. What is that? That is list style type. Okay. And in list style type, you can change the pointer marker. Okay. What was that? Here we passed a circle. Don't think that we can take anything. No, not like that. Something property defined, that property we can take. So here we have taken circle. Remove this and check what all available here. Disk. Take this disk. See, previously it was look like white color. Due to disk, it will be black, means filled completely. So go with means by default. That was circle. Let it to be. What about the second? Second is a square. I want to change the color for this one square. Can anyone tell me which tag? What was the
Marker
how we can
tag,
change?
sir.
Marker. Okay. So with the help of marker, pass. This way we can take.
No, sir.
No, sir. This is marker element.
I think here we have to take pass. Correct. UL colon marker. Yeah, this
Yes,
one.
sir.
And then color. And then take red. Let's see. We got that. But we got for complete. See. We got this color for complete UL. Means like a list also. But I not want for the list. I want for this particular. I think then this will be LI. I think. No, 1 second. Wait. In second case, we got okay. Got it. Due to this UL, it coming. Remove this UL. Then it will come for that only. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it or not? Because be passing. Who is on unmute? So here what we had done, we want only the color property. Okay. So just take this one and pass here. And sorry. Color red. Here I not taken this one. That's why we not getting that one. Now see, What happened? We got the square also, and we had to make all the what mark in the colorful. See, all become red color because I had not specified which mark, which means which element you want. Okay. Praful, tell me, I want only colorful for this section. How I will take? And this is coming. This one is coming from this one, class B. How I can refer this particularly?
Sir, UL can use and color.
You telling me UL?
Yeah.
Here UL. What I
Sir.
want? I want this marker, whatever color we passed, only for that section, not for all. Now
Sir,
this color is coming for all. Yeah.
Sir, only can text can pass the color.
No. See, what is the issue? We getting this color red. Okay, but this color got effective for all markers. See, here also 1, 2, A, B, C all become red. I want this square only in the color. Can
Sir,
anyone?
pass the class.
Yes. For ULB and
What are you telling?
First class
UL?
name.
sir,
UL.
ULB space B.
UL space B.
B. Yes, sir. And remove.
Sir,
I have to
dot.
remove. Okay, one
Yes,
second.
sir.
1 second. Yeah, Abhishek, what I have to write? Remove this one.
Yes, sir. Remove. Yes, sir.
This fine.
Yes, 1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
But if any mistake will happen, then you can. You will be responsible for my mistake. What happened? I had asked regarding one color. You had removed my all color. Why you taken this B?
Sir, for second one, yes, sir. Class
This is B.
Dot and
dot
B.
or dot B.
Yeah. So take dot.
Yes, sir.
Let's save. I saved, but nothing happened. Highly saved. See, but nothing had happened. You know what you done? You had referred this UL. Okay. Let's
Okay.
see that is UL or OL. That is UL. Fine. After that, you taken dot B. Okay. That one
Okay.
class, and after that, you taken this marker tag. Remove this space between B. That also it not worked. You know simply what you can do. Remove this
LI.
UL. 1 second. Why it not
Plus
work?
LI.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, LI.
Right, sir.
1 second. Then also not working. What happened? That fine.
Magic, sir.
LI. Okay.
LI, sir.
Marker is there.
Line number 16, saving comma.
Line number 16. Shivani. That is single. That's not required. That is not the issue. See.
After the
We is just speaking from 5 kilometer. Why this not coming? I think we are doing actually. I
Sir,
want for particular
sir.
for B. Yeah.
AI, sir.
What?
After NAI, sir. Class dot B.
Sir,
then LI.
only UL
No, sir.
dot B and
Front.
marker.
This way you telling.
Yeah, sir.
So you can get separately.
Nothing is coming. Nothing is coming.
Remove for double dot can get separately
Sir,
for
dot
the
B. Then AI, sir.
Yeah, tell again.
Sir,
dot
one type
B.
dot B then li. Then li. Oh, yeah, space, sir.
Okay, a space. Let's see. Yeah,
Space.
now it work.
Sure. Yeah, it's work.
Main thing was the playing of that itself, where I have to keep that B. That was the main thing. Because anyway, we are targeting this particular class, correct? With the help of B. Okay. That's why B was playing with B. And already we know that with the help of LI and marker, you will get this red color. But main thing, where you placing this one? That was the case. Okay. So this way B can make a particular, whatever particular list style type, whatever we want, color, background, whatever we can. Okay. Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yeah. So this way we can do that. If you suppose, if you want for this one, A, B, and C, what you can do? Just take this complete class, pass one more time. Okay. And just remove this A. I think A, B, C, D, that class name. I think that, yeah, that is D. So it came. Fine. So this way we can manipulate that CSS. So main thing, which one that is a list type, list style type. Okay. So with the help of list style type, we can change the different style property. Which property we can take? One property was circle, one property was a square. Okay. These two. Then upper Roman. What was done with the help of upper Roman? Roman later came, but that is uppercase. Okay. That is alphabetical order itself, but I, double time I, like that. But alphabet, upper type. Then lower alphabet in the sense A, B, C, it came. This is not lower Roman. If you will pass a lower Roman, let's see, lower Roman is there. Lower and a Roman is there. Greek is also there. So see, when I pass a lower Roman, we got I, a small I. Clear? Let it take, I think Latin or something is there. What it will do, I don't know. So see, it came ABC itself, not an issue. Clear? So this way we can manipulate actually. Once you will manipulate, see, that is the thing. When you will do different tasks, then you will get more and more idea, more clarity over that. So again, if you want, if you not want that this by default this one, this style, I want something my own that image, okay, or GIF, anything, you can pass that again a style. What is that? List a style. See, this is common in all case. See, list a style. What you want? Type. So we have taken type. What we want here? Image. So we passed image. Clear? Here we can pass image. And once you will pass image, you will get that. So do one thing. Let's verify which type that image is coming. If I will go like this, actually each practice, then it will take too much time. Let's save what it coming. We got image. What was margin actually? Amardeep, that was margin or padding?
Margin.
Margin, margin dash left. Na? Yeah. Take 12 pixel. Let's save. It want more. Okay. We got this. Go 1200. Let's came. Oh my God. It crossed the boundary itself. 500. Okay. So we got like this means we had setted image also. So previously it was coming bullet sign. Now it's not coming bullet sign. Now it coming image in place of bullet sign. Clear? And we can reduce, increase and decrease the height. We can see that how we can do that also. Okay. So that way we can add our image and we can remove. See, I had passed in the UL case only. That's why we getting in this part only. So what is the that style? List a style already by default, and that is image. Previously list a style type. Okay. And same thing in the URL. No need to take here that image, I think image tag name was image. Directly, if you want anywhere, you can pass a image and URL. But here, due to list, we have to pass a list style. Clear? Okay. So next is the position, the list item marker. What it will do? It will give you the text. See, wait. Let it to be that also. A1.html. So see what it will do when we writing any text. Okay. Oh my God, this is very big material. See, regarding practice, today I told each member. Tomorrow I will not tell. You have to practice by yourself. But as I got output, same thing I want. That I will tell. I means don't think that I will tell you. I will not tell. I will directly remove in the class. I had not removed it today because I had seen means all member had shared somewhat at least. See here, in the case of list style position, what is that position? One is outside and one is inside. Two type is there. What are you observing in both cases? See. What you observing here? The text, all text started from here, but a text bullet sign is outside and text is inside. It came in the parallel, correct? But just go inside below. See this. Where is the text? Means the text is inside, correct or not? Position, whatever marker is there, it came inside. And in the previous scene, it was outside. Clear? This is the thing it doing actually. Any more clarification required for this one? Hello?
No,
Hello?
sir.
No,
No
sir.
need more? Okay. But you can't check this output in your big screen. See, in this case, you will not realize any difference. I showing you. That time you will get confused. Now see, in this case and in this case, are you observing any difference?
So
You will not observe any
paragraph
difference.
is short one, that's all.
No, means you are not observing any difference. But when you will increase this text, just you can zoom. Automatic. When your text will be came down, just increase zoom that much more somewhat. Now see here, when I increase zoom and the text came in the second line, easily identify that, correct? Because here whatever text we getting, whatever text we are getting, it came in this situation. Okay, means it came in the second line, and due to second line, we getting this bullet sign inside, correct or not? But see, in this case also, it came in the second line, but bullet sign is outside by default. Got that? When you will check this one. Clear? So next, remove a by default setting. Whatever setting is there, you can remove. How you can remove? I had told one term in the CSS, resetting of CSS. Forget. I had told that term. Hello? What means that? Resetting of CSS. Hello?
Yes,
Why
sir.
nobody is speaking?
Yes, sir.
Wait 1 second. Who all is available? Sweta, Shivani, Roshan, okay, Afroz. Why you all not
Yes, sir.
speaking? So we had discussed one term, resetting in CSS. What was that? Anyone having idea? Resetting in
Yeah, sir,
CSS.
you completely zero, I think. You can use
Means we can remove
margin
whatever
padding.
by default
Yeah.
proper. Yeah, so whatever property they have, we have to remove. So same thing is here. Remove default setting. How you will remove default setting of any UL, LI? So see what it done. List style type. What means this? Bullet sign, numbering, that one. Correct? So we had passed a list style type none. Margin be passed 0. Padding be passed 0. This means a resetting of CSS. Okay. For this UL, we had done that all the things 0. Means it will look like normal. Okay, I'm not going to do this one. These are just basic thing now. Now the shorthand notation of the list. Okay, let's see what are the property we had used, and you have to tell list style be written. We had removed the type like a position, marker, and then a list style type, list style image. Those be removed because when we writing shorthand like a border left, border right, we are removing that right left. We are passing just border. Same type here. List style, and after this style, what means this one? Square. Square. What is this? It will do. Shweta, what it will do? Square.
Shweta going to sleep.
Shweta,
No, sir.
what? Don't put your thread in the sleep mode.
No, sir.
We all working with single thread.
When sir
Okay,
said going to
Shivani.
sleep mode, you amazing.
Shivani, what is this
Yes,
in
sir.
square? List style, and here we passed the square. What is this one?
Shape.
What?
Shape.
Shape.
Shape, sir, means square shape.
Oh, shape. When this came in the case of list, this is shorthand notation actually. We had discussed these all property. What was this value? Somewhere we had seen circle, a square, something.
It's a type.
What
I
was
think.
this? Correct. This was a type.
List.
List style type. That was a square. Next, inside, what is this one?
Position.
Position. List style position. Just now we had seen. See here. List style position. Correct. And here we had seen list style type. Image. See list style type. A square, circle. Clear? So this be going in the shorthand notation as like a border. We are writing on always border property. So that is the thing actually. Where that gone? Yeah. So this become position. What about next, last?
Image.
Image. Yeah. So list style image. So whatever property you want, you can pass here in the shorthand. Okay. Anyone want to look over this also or clear? See here, whatever explanation was on the top, we discuss these all things here. Okay. Next, list styling list with color. This already be seen just now itself. OL marker tag we had used. Okay. But if you we had used on the standard level, we had removed the marker tag itself. But if you want OL, UL, these all basics, nothing is there. Okay. Just you can pass margin, padding, whatever style you want. Anyone, any issue? Tell me. In this case, already we know the selector. What it going to do? It going to select UL and then LI. And what is here? A space. And who is with the space? What was the name of the selector? Separating with a space? Descendant. Correct?
Simple.
Yes, sir.
Not simple. Simple with the comma. Okay. So with the help of descendant selector. So here all the property of CSS list property like a list style. Means when you using this one list style, when we writing shorthand notation that time, just now be written list style, then list style image, then list style position, then list style type. Correct? Anyone having any issue in the case of list? Tell me. Any issue? No one. Okay, I will stop here, and now that's your work to practice this table. Okay. You have to design this table, and whatever functionality is using here, you have to do. Okay. Do one thing. I will not share this document. Wait. Take the screenshot. And I want same type. Okay. Means a heading, some color is there. Then margin, padding, whatever you are looking over here. That actually something more property is this. Like over property is also there. But let it to be up to this at least. Just wait. Let me stop recording first. Today be